Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm back in. I'm in now.
Right, so
yeah,
we've got the regular food haul and meal plan,
No,
but
don't
it is a very Christmassy one that we've got today from Aldi, because next week you've only got 2 days at school, haven't you?
Yeah, which is Monday and Tuesday, because today is Friday.
Yeah, we're filming this on Friday.
15th of December, isn't it?
Yeah. And then next week we're going to be having lots of Christmassy dinners, aren't we?
And
Jack?
in 2020.
Okay, so, right, Jack, you wanted to help, didn't you?
Yeah.
And Jack has set up all of the food.
In different order.
It's in a very different order to how I do it. But he really wanted to help, didn't you?
Yeah, he did.
And he said...
I did it all by myself.
You did it all by yourself, and you said, I think they're going to love it, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's see.
Do you love it?
Okay, so this is what it's looking like. It's very mixed up. But I'll just leave it, and he would be quite upset if I changed it, I think. So I got this Bailey's extra thick cream for Dan. He loves Bailey's. And then I got these sausages because Jack said that he will try sausages again. He doesn't like, I've got these nice posh sausages for us, these Bramley apple sausages, but he won't like that. But he might like just these standard sausages. And then I got, I wasn't sure if that was just one Kiev. I feel like if it is, it's a big Kiev. So it's brie and cranberry chicken Kiev. So it probably is one. It's quite big. So maybe me and Dan can share that and the kids can have something else. We got these racer ice creams. So they're like the Snickers ice creams. Showed you the sausages. We got a brie and cranberry quiche. A pepperoni stuffed crust pizza. I did also order, they've got a brie, bacon and cranberry stuffed crust pizza, but that was unavailable, so didn't get that one. Got 6 eggs, some crispy skin on fries, a cucumber, this garlic dough ball Christmas tree. I got a chicken to do a roast this weekend, pink lady apples, got some waffle fries because that's another thing that Jack sometimes likes, so we'll see if he likes those again. Oh, we've got these. My mum got this for Mila for her birthday. They haven't hatched yet though, so if anyone has done these, they're called aqua dragons, I think. And I think they used to be called sea monkeys, so if anyone has any tips, let me know. I got some goose fat, so I want to try and perfect my roast potatoes.
I only like the red one.
You only like the red ones? Not even these ones, because these are just like normal ones. Do you like those ones?
Yeah, I still like them.
What about the green?
No.
Okay, just don't eat the green ones then. I'll eat the green ones afterwards.
Okay.
Okay. We've got some prawn cocktail crisps. These chocolate waffles. Did you see these, Jack? They're like,
I always saw them.
yeah, they're like your favourites, aren't they?
I always saw them because I did it.
Oh yeah, of course, you put everything up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But,
You love.
but what?
I'll put it back. I'll put it back where it was. And then I got some of these cheese crackers, and then some lightly seeded bread, and then under there we've got some chocolate chip soft bakes and some bacon, and then some cheese and onion crisps. These treeslets were a substitute. I ordered, what are they called? Twiglets. Okay. Don't put them in the bin, darling. I'll eat them.
Eat all of them.
I will eat them. Right.
No,
Are you going to try those? Okay. In a minute. I'm just nearly finished.
have I tried them before?
I think so. They're just like cheese crackers.
Oh.
Yeah, so these were supposed to be Twiglets because Jack loves Twiglets. You love the Twiglets, don't you? You've been having them in your lunchbox, haven't you?
Yeah. Can I have them in my lunchbox?
Yeah, I can put them in on Monday, yeah. More chocolate.
What's that X?
because normally when it's not Christmas time they're called cheeselets, but because it's Christmas time they call them treeslets because they're little tree shaped ones. Just make it a bit more Christmassy. Right, so you've got some more chocolate chip soft bakes, some stuffing mix, some bananas, some salted pretzels, and these ones are what shape are they? I think there's some bell shapes and some star shapes. Yeah. And then we also got those Christmas tree shaped salted tortillas.
I don't want to try those.
You don't have to. They're just the same as other pretzels, but different shape. Got some kitchen roll. Okay, just a minute.
Ow.
Oh dear, go careful. We also got some dishwasher tablets and some toilet roll. So that's everything we got.
Dishwasher tablet?
You put them in the dishwasher to get all the dishes clean. Right, so that's everything that we got. I will put...
Then it will not work anymore.
It will work, darling. Right.
But it does the iPad.
What? Okay.
I thought it was an iPad.
No. Right, I'm gonna put the price on the screen and then we'll do the meal plan now. Okay, so here's our meal plan for this week. So I've tried to do something Christmassy every day. So Monday we're going to have Yorkshire pudding wraps, and I wanted to find some giant Yorkshire puddings because it would just be easier, but they didn't have any in Aldi. So I'm going to try and make my own, and we're just going to have leftovers from our roast today. So a bit of chicken, maybe some roast potatoes if there's any left, some stuffing, and obviously gravy. And then Tuesday we're going to my mum's to have like Christmas presents, so we're gonna have like party food there. And then Wednesday we're gonna have that festive quiche, and I'll do some roast potatoes with that and some vegetables and maybe gravy, just maybe for dipping the roast potatoes in, because I feel like quiche and gravy don't go that well, even though it is like a festive quiche. And then Thursday I'm going to make giant pigs in blankets. So that's the, what are they called? The apple sausages. And I've got bacon to wrap them in. So I'm going to make that, and probably more roast potatoes. I'll have to check if I've got enough potatoes to do all these roast potatoes actually. Because I did buy a big bag, not this week but last week. So I think I have enough, but we'll see. I might have to buy some more. Yeah, so giant pigs and blankets, roast potatoes with some vegetables and gravy. And then Friday, brie and cranberry Kievs. I think there is probably only one in there, so me and Dan will probably just have half each. And then I've got some like little chicken Christmas trees that the kids can have. Well, Jack won't eat it, but Mila can have it. But yeah, that is our plan for this week. And I don't think I'm going to be doing a food haul next week because it is going to be Christmas. Is it Christmas next week? Yeah, next Sunday is Christmas Eve, so there'll be no food haul on Christmas Eve, but I will be filming lots of Christmassy things, so as and when I can get them up I will. Obviously I've still got our visit to Santa that I need to upload, and I need to upload Mila's birthday, so as and when I can I will get all these things up. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in the next video. Bye.